on question 7. Question 7. E 2H2 platinum here is Na and H2 150 degrees C. Here is H2O. Get F. Compound D. Then react with Cl2 to produce compound G. So predict the structural formula for compound E, F and G. So because here you use 2 mole of hydrogen in the presence of platinum, of course this is addition of H2. If 2 mole exists here, means that your final product should be an alkene. This is your answer for E. And for G, react with Cl2. Cl2, just 1 mole of Cl2. So trans addition Cl and Cl. Here is addition of Cl2. So for Na and H2 150 degrees C, this is the reaction of terminal salt alkyne. So here it will produce here is should be here is carbon, right? Here is negative, here is Na plus, like this. For question B, 3-heptene can be prepared from compound D. 3-heptene can be prepared. Indicate the reagent from compound D. Compound D. Yeah. Three-heptene. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 3-heptene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Compound D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3-heptene. 1, 2, 3. Here is 3-heptene. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open. Time. Means that here you have 5 carbon, so it will the chain is become longer. 7 carbon. Okay, what is the reaction involved when we want to add from 5 carbon to 7 carbon? Or means that you want to make the chain become long. So here is the reaction. Here is the reaction that you can choose. Reaction of terminal salt alkyne. So reaction for terminal salt alkyne. So you can start like this for B. First you react with Na-H2. The temperature is 150 degrees C. Then you get, here is okay. Then react. So how many carbon here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You want to produce 2, right? So you need to add 2 carbon here. So how to add? You need to add here alkyl halide. So how many carbon in the alkyl halide that you need? So 2. CH3, CH2, Br. So here is triple bond, and this part will insert it here. Then basically it will be like this. CH2, CH3. So how many carbon here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This part is come from this one. CH2, CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So plus NaBr. Okay. Then for question 8, plus H2O in the presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4. Here is it produce compound A, or we call as intermediate eno. So intermediate eno, when you see this word, this is the clue for you. So when it produce eno, of course it relate with hydration of alkyne. Then to produce B. B is the final product. The question asks you to predict the structural formula for compound A and B. So how to produce compound A and B? React with H2SO4, H2O. Here is HgSO4. So you get here OH will add to the carbon triple bond. Make sure the carbon that you add OH should has lowest number of hydrogen. So it will add here. Here is OH. It will become like this. Here is compound A and we call as enol. What is enol? Enol is the combination of double bond and alcohol. So we call as enol. Then okay, actually okay. Then here will become carbonyl double bond O. So here is for compound B, a ketone. How do you know this compound is ketone or not? So this is a carbon. This carbon attached to double bond O. Okay, this is R. And here is another R, R prime. So the formula for ketone is C double bond O, R attached to R prime. Okay. That is for A. For B, identify the function of concentrated H2SO4 and HgSO4, mercury sulfate, to convert alkyne to N. To convert alkyne to enol.